Hello, welcome to another edition of How To with Cherwell Service Management. Today we're going to talk about how to add a search button to a validated list. This is especially useful when you have a validated table, validation table or validated list that is larger than 200 items because dropdowns are limited to 200 items. What I'm going to go ahead and do is start in my orange pill or my admin tool and create a new blueprint. This is using our demo database. And I'm going to go directly to a form. In this case, I'm going to use a specific screen using the employee update form here. And let's just say that I want to validate the full name against my customer list. Simply look at my field properties. It already is, in fact, actually validating against that. But as you can see, this is going to expect me to type something in. So what I really want to be able to do is do an easy search. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this VIP checkbox over just a little bit. And I'm just going to create a button right here. What you're going to find is this is actually very similar to using a related item picker, but in this case, I don't have to actually create a relationship. I can simply use the validation to get the legal values. And what I like to do is just use an ellipsis here, sort of the universal symbol for more or search. And then the control properties here is actually going to be a command. I click on, again, my ellipsis to show my commands. And what I'm looking for is actually going to be in my edit folder. And you're going to see here a show legal values command. This is useful, again, when we're talking about validated fields. And we have to associate it to a specific field. In this case, I'm going to associate it to the full name field, which is what we're using on the update employee form here. And what this will give me the opportunity to do is if I click on that button, it'll actually bring back any legal values. In this case, it would be the entire list of available customers in my customer internal table. I'm going to go ahead and publish this blueprint now. In this case, I'm not going to go ahead and save. But this is, again, just for demonstration purposes. Obviously, you want to make sure you're saving your blueprints each and every time. It has been published now. Now what I want to go ahead and do is open up my blue pill and select my demo database. Log in, and I can test this very easily, show you how it works. And I just go ahead and create a new incident. And we will dispense with a whole lot of the other pieces here simply so I can show you the specific screen. Do a quick search, brings back my update employee classification, and as you'll see now I have my employee update employee specific screen showing here. And you see my new button. I click on that button there, and that actually brings up the entire customer internal selector. Now I can do a quick search here for the name. The other piece that I can do again is I can simply type in here. There's Amy Lynch, shows up right there. And now I actually have a validated field value. Again, I can drive automated fill of other fields on the form. But this actually saves you a little bit of trouble from having to build relationships, especially when we're talking about supporting objects like tasks or, more importantly, things like specific screens where you may not want to build a full-on relationship between a specific screen and the customer table. That might be a bit of overkill and excessive use of the database. But in this case, what you can do is you simply create this nice button that shows legal values for that field, and it will fill it in from a similar search, very similar to using the related item picker. And I hope this helps you in your use and administration of the Cherwell Service Management tool. Feel free to check out our YouTube videos and subscribe at Beyond 20 LLC. We have a lot of great videos out there for you to help you better manage and develop for Cherwell Service Management. Thank you.